Oil prices selling off after rallying 19% in October. So, Jeff, what's the next leg for oil here, 85 or 95?
I'm a believer in 85. I thought that getting up to about 95 was a pipe dream. They got up as high as 94.65, which surprised me and many other traders. Again, based on needs, demand, the overall inventories, I see the market slipping off. And certainly this bad economic information certainly puts us lower.
Right, so then how much lower? Does it go below 85 then? What's your target?
Well, again, markets don't just, fly through numbers. It's going to take a while, but I think that's its first objective. In fact, a settlement below 84, 85, I believe, last time I checked, is a number where the market starts to really break down. Probably have to be next time, be about $82. But it's not going to happen without a fight here. Don't think it's just going to fly through here. But again, the dollar stays strong. Stock market is going to be weak with that. Along with it, market will drift lower, no question about it.
What's the impact of MF Global on oil prices? Do you think there's a big one?
I don't think so. Again, remember, they are a player and they're involved. But again, the market's going to go where it's going to go. I don't believe that one player like that's going to have a thing. I really believe that that's going to shake out eventually, and all the money that's tied up in there will get loosened up and get involved. But again, people will find other avenues, and the market will go where it's going to go regardless.
So you're expecting more downside. Would you be shorting oil here?
I would try to sell any kind of rally the market would attempt here. I think you've got a good place around, let's say, 89, 90, that kind of an area, maybe even like the low 90s, maybe 90 and a half or so, where the market may try that, one of those kind of last gasp kind of rallies, but I don't think the market will be able to sustain it right now.
And last quick question, we have a lot of data coming out this week, FOMC meeting, ECB meeting, G20 and jobs. Any impact for oil here? Anything you're really looking at?
There's a lot of alphabets.
That's a lot.
I look at our inventory numbers. I can't go by some of these other numbers. I don't know how accurate they are and how much of an indicator. As always, it's always the perception of what these numbers mean here. But again, I always look at the inventory numbers. It means something, how much we're going to consume, how much you're utilizing, and that's what I go by.
And so the inventory is telling you it's going to be lower oil prices for the short term. Thanks so much.